Welcome, in this video we will learn about exceptions and catching the exceptions in Python. In this article you will learn how to handle exception in your Python program using try, except. This will motivate you to write clean, readable and efficient code in Python. Python has many built-in exceptions which forces your program to output an error when something in it goes wrong. When these exceptions occur, it causes the current process to stop and passes it to the calling process until it is handled. If not handled, our program will crash. Open mu directory which contains my files. Open my figure which shows the flow of how exceptions. As you can see that I'm showing here in the figure about how exception will work. For example, if function A calls function B, which in turn calls function C, and an exception occurs in function C, if it is not handled in C, the exception passes to B and then to A. Now open catchingexceptions.py. The syntax is here. You can see that try and statement and except key followed by statements. Now let's handle program on this. Import the SYS module for getting the type of exception. So import space SYS. Create one random list contain all values. That is random list equals to A02. For entry in random list, iterate all the values from the random list. Try, insert your try block. Print the value here. Print entry is entry. Divide all the values from 1 are equals to 1 divided by int entry. Break the condition. Break. Exception will be handled, that is except. The system exception will be handled, that is print oops system.exe_info occurred. Print the error result here. That is print next try. Print the reciprocal of entry is R. Let's move to the output now. Run the command as python space catchingexceptions.py. We loop until the user enters an integer that has a valid reciprocal. The portion that can cause exception is placed inside try block. If no exception occurs, except block is kept. But if any exception occurs, it is caught by except block. Here we print the name of exception using x_info function inside SYS module and ask the user to try again. You can see that the values A and 1.3 causes value error and 0 causes 0 division error. Lastly, prints the 0.5 because it does not contain any errors. This is how we can declare exception and will be handled. That's it in this video on exception and catching exception in Python. Thank you for watching this video.